In this video, I will tell you how to rent a Turo car. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will provide that Turo link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what you guys have to do is to make your add your destination location. For example, where you want to rent a car in. For example, I'm gonna just put in a location of the cities, for example, Los Angeles, and I can go ahead and click on a very uh, specific location in Los Angeles or anytime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a date, for example, 19th of the January to the until 22nd of the January. So I'm just go ahead and click on search button, and it will show me all the available cars that can be rented. So we're just gonna wait a second till the search is completed, and then I'll show you guys how you guys can rent a car. So here you guys can see that the Volkswagen Tiguan 2024 edition is available. Kia Forte is available. Infiniti QX60 is available. Hyundai Ioniq 5 is available. Toyota Corolla Hybrid is available. Toyota Corolla is available. That is 2025 model, brand new. A free pickup at VNY. So we're gonna go ahead and select a car. For example, we're gonna go with the Toyota with the latest one. So it's a new listing in VNY. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on that. As you guys can see, that is total 128. Let's see, is it for 1 day or is it for 3 days? So these are some specification for the car, which is 36 miles per gallon, and it operates on gas, four doors, five seats, typical stuff, and 3-day discount is $11, which invoice distance included is 600 miles, free cancellation anytime, and the total amount that you'll pay in 3 days is $128. So some of the things you need to know is that you must be 21 plus to book this car. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on continue option. So once you have done with the continuation process, your ride will be booked, and then all you have to do is to go ahead and contact them through their email or their phone number in order to get in contact with them. So I have put my location for the Van Nuys Airport in the Los Angeles. So this is how you guys can do it. So you guys can see that there are different sort of pickup locations. For example, Los Angeles CA91405. You can pick up the car from here for free, and but if you want the car to be delivered at somewhere else, for example, Van Nuys Airport, that will be free. But Bob Hope Airport, it will cost you like $40. Or if you want it to be delivered to the Burbank, that will cost you like $40 as well. So this is how it is. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.